Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Anna's Space. I hope you guys are all well. It's nice to meet you all again. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to prep your skin before makeup, and also how to make your face hydrated, like on a normal day without makeup. You know, when you see some people's face, you see how glowing, soft the face looks, and you're wondering how. Most makeup artists will not tell you this part where you need to like prep your skin, because prepping your skin is very important. Like, you know, when you want to build a house, you need a foundation. If you don't have foundation, there's no way you can build that house. That's just the same way makeup is. So prepping your skin is like the foundation of makeup. If you prep your skin, your makeup is going to come out well, trust me. And most makeup artists don't tell you this because that's like a secret, so nobody wants to tell you their secret. Those people that like teach makeup on videos or camera, like step-to-step makeup, you just say that they are starting to put foundation, but the person's face is glowing and you're like, ow. So I'm going to be teaching you how to hydrate your face, how to prep your skin in today's video. So you guys should sit down and relax and watch till the end of this video. Okay, so first thing you need is your cotton pad. You need your cotton pad first. So this is how it looks. So you need your cotton pad, and next you need your micellar water. This is micellar water. This water, trust me, anybody, like everybody that or whoever knows this water knows how this water works like magic. You can use this water before and after makeup, and it helps to remove all dirt. Like, so this is micellar cleansing water. So this is it, micellar water. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's what it looks like. So I'm going to be applying some in this cotton pad, and I'm going to be using it to clean my face first thing. So I'm going to be using this micellar water to clean my face. You guys will be shocked with all the dirt you are going to see from this thing. Can you see this, guys? Can you see the dirt? That's what micellar water does. It brings out all the dirt from your face. So after doing that, after applying the micellar water, the next thing you want to do is to go in with your hydrating mist. This helps or keeps your face hydrated. So I'm going to be using my hydrating mist now. It's going to make my face like hydrated, soft, and you get me, make my makeup come out well. So I'm going to be going with my vitamin E hydrating mist. So this is it. So I'm going to be with my vitamin E hydrating mist. I got this from Superdrug, and it's very good. It's rich in vitamin E, as you can tell by the name. So I'm going to be spraying this onto my face. I think it's too much, guys. So you're going to just do what? You're going to massage this into your skin. So that is what you're going to do with this. You're going to massage this into your skin until it dries. So now I've massaged this into my skin, and it's going to get dry now. So the next thing I want to do is to go in with my serum. So with my serum, I use Hyaluronic Aloe serum. Yeah, it's rich in hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, and glycerin. So this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to be using very little of this, very little, because I don't want my face to be too shiny. So after doing that, I'm going to be massaging it into my face as well. especially under my eye. So now that that is done, the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to be going with my moisturizer. I'm going to be going in with my moisturizer now after using the serum. So I'm going to be using simple moisturizer. You can see this. So one thing you guys need to know is that we have, okay, just hold on. I'm going to tell you what you guys need to know. So I'm just going to be adding just a bit onto my face. So you can see. So I'm going to be massaging it into my skin as well. Okay, so having done that, the next thing I want to do is to go in with my sweat block. I'm going to be going in with my sweat block because you need a sweat block to make your makeup last all day. If you want a matte makeup and you don't want to sweat, you need a sweat block. So I'm going to go in with my sweat block now. So I use Adventure sweat block. It's also good as well. So I'm going to be applying this with a cotton pad. Just going to be putting little into the cotton pad, and I'm going to be damping it onto my face. After applying this sweat block, the next thing you want to do is to apply your primer. So I use Gel Face Infinity all day. So I use Gel primer, so you can see. So I'm going to be applying just a little on my skin, and I'm going to be applying onto my face as well as we did the other time. And I'm going to be rubbing in, massaging it into my skin. Especially under my eye, because it's very important. You guys, can you see my face now? And of course, how can you hydrate your face and forgetting your lips? You can't, guys. Your lips is part of your face. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be going in with my lip therapy Vaseline. This is it, guys. So I'm going to be going, this is always hard to open, I don't know why, for some weird reasons. Once my hands are oily, it's going to be very hard to open. Okay guys, so we opened it now. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to be hydrating my lips. You need to hydrate your lips as well. Okay, so you need to finish up your screen prep with your setting mist, like your setting spray. You know, some people will be like, why are you using a setting spray? I thought they use setting spray like after you finish makeup. You use setting spray after you finish makeup to like make your makeup, like keep your makeup in place, right, to hold it. So you need to also hold your skin prep just the way you hold your makeup. So that's why we're going to be using a setting spray. That's just like a finishing. You need to make it hold in place. So I'm going to be using this mini continuous setting mist by Morphe. Yeah. So I'm just going to be spraying my face. So I'm going to be waiting for it to get dry. So I was about to tell you the other time that we have different types of skins. So we have the oily skin, we have the dry skin, we have the normal skin. So different people, you said there are different products for different type of skin, but all these products which I have used for you guys, you can use it for a normal, like a combination skin. What I mean by combination is the types of skin. So this is how my finished look or my prepping skin looks like. This is how it looks. Can you see the glow, guys? Look at that glow. Look at the glow. So one more thing, guys, if you want to prep your skin for a normal day, you're not making up, you're just going out and you want your skin to be glowing, you don't need this adventure block and you don't need a primer. These are the only two things I used that you don't need if you just want to hydrate your skin. Is that okay? Because these are for makeup, but every other product I used, you can use them if you want to hydrate your skin. But if you want to do a makeup, this is very important. A sweat block is very important. So let me go back with the product I used in this class. First of all, I went with my cotton pad and my micellar water. So these are the two things I used first to clean my face. Then next, I went with my hydrating mist, vitamin E hydrating mist, to make my face hydrated, to make my face soft. The micellar water is to clean every dirt from your face as well. And after doing that, the next thing I went in was my hyaluronic acid. I went with my hyaluronic acid serum. You need like a serum just to like tone or brighten your face. Do you get me? And you just need just a little. So having done that, the next thing I used was my moisturizer. So I used simple moisturizer. I used my lip therapy. I need to get my lips hydrated too. You get, my lips cannot be cracked and dry. Do you get? So the next thing I used after this was my setting mini spray to hold my makeup. So this is my finished look. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you want more tips, I can give you more tips. So don't forget to please subscribe, like, share my video, drop a comment in the section, turn on your notification bells. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.